When you spend enough time in nature, you start to notice the smallest changes that goes on around you. The chillness in the air, the change of colors, the leaves of a trees, so many things that happens around you. If you are sensitive to these changes by way of receiving this information through your senses, you can use that as a tool of transformation. Most of the times, we are so stuck with our day-to-day activities, keeping ourselves busy. We don't have the time to spend in nature, outside. Even watching a sunset or a sunrise, when you look up in the skies in the late night hours, the things that you see, all of these can be used as tools of transformation of your own self. Mindfulness, when practiced this way, which some of you might find it easier to follow, I would suggest, instead of trying to sit in a room to meditate, you go out, spend some time in nature. It can be as simple as watching a plant, or a tree, or a flower, or the skies. It can immediately help you to get out of your small, petty self and connect with the nature. The nature has several healing benefits, but for practitioners of mindfulness, all you have to do is go out and spend time in nature. You connect with nature only in the moment. You cannot be outside and not able to look at a plant or a flower or the skies and be worrying about your own self. This is a fine technique to disconnect yourself and then connect with the larger self, which is this world. You can try this anytime in a day. Even if you get a few minutes, go out and connect with nature and use that as a practice of mindfulness.